Hello, greetings for the day. Let's learn German at Mentor. Welcome to our classes. Today is the first demo class. I'm going to tell you how do we do basic conjugations in German. Like we conjugate the verb spielen. Spielen means to play. So how do you say that in English? I play, you play, he plays, but the verb remains the same, the spelling changes. Similarly, in German, the spelling changes for the same. I'm going to share you the screen. You can check on the screen how is it changing. I'm going to do two verbs with you. First is haben, that means to have, and second is sein, that means to be. Ich habe, I have. Du hast, you have. Es, sie, he, she, it, hat. That means he, she, or it has. Wir haben, we have. Ihr habt, they have. Capital Z, that is respected form, ab. And small z is plural. So they also have the conjugation as haben. The verb is the same. The meaning is the same, but it is changing in the forms with ich, du, es, sie, wir, ihr, sie. Similarly for sein, sein means to be. Ich bin, I am. Du bist, you are. Sie ist, he, she, it is. Wir sind, we are. Ihr seid, they are. And sie sind. That's how we do conjugations in German language. And second thing, the second topic for today is our numbers. What are numbers called in German? Numbers are called as Zahlen. They are called as Zahlen. Let's start from numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All we need to do is to learn from 0 to 12, and others are very basic. Can you tell me what is 3 called? Correct. 3 is called as drei. What is 10 called? Zehn. So 13 is a combination of 3 plus 10, which becomes drei zehn. 14, vier zehn. 15, fünf zehn. 16, sechs zehn. 17, sieb zehn. 18, acht zehn. 19, neun zehn. And 20, zwanzig. So students, all you need to do is to learn from 0 to 12, and others are very simple because we just do the combinations for the same. Every class we teach you 3 to 4 topics for you to memorize, and the next class when we take, we revise those topics and go ahead further. If I talk about the A1 level we teach in 4 styles, which is reading, listening, writing and speaking. Depending on how many months can you give, generally A1 level takes approximately 2 to 3 months to finish. To learn more at Mentor, let me know for the same. See you.